No more wishing. Get ready for your class. Good morning to everybody. No need to wish me back. Take out your maths classwork note, an eraser, a pencil. You can keep the sharpener because you need to have pointed pencil to do this. Yes, children. No more disturbance, okay? Now, take out your maths classwork note. In the margin, write 13-8. That's enough. No need to write 2020. That's a big number, 4 numbers. No need. When I say, please do it because we can't go back now. In between, no disturbance. 13-08. We finished taking this in your textbook. No need to tell the answer because I want everybody to write. I don't want any answer from you. If I need, I will ask explanation from each child. I'll call out your name. Thank you. Now, just look at the screen. Don't write anything on the first line. You can write in cursive. Monday onwards, I too will write in cursive. ADD, only A capital. On the first line, add ADD, add on, O-N, on, T-H-E, the. Hope all are having your classwork note with you. Add on the N-U-M-B-E-R. Even I am writing here so that I will know how long will you take to write. Number, N-U-M-B-E-R, leave space, L-I-N-E, line. Now listen carefully. Shaina, did you write the heading, Shaina?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. That's all. Now, leave a line down. That means leave a square. Everybody, leave a square. Now, write 1 in the margin. Write 1 in the margin. Leave a square. Write 1 in the margin. That's all. Now, again leave a square after the margin. Write 6. Listen to me carefully. When you write each number, you have to leave 1 square. After 1 in the margin, leave a square after the margin, that line. Leave a square, write 6. Leave a square plus. Leave a square 3. Leave a square equal. Leave a square dash. When you do one, you will know how to do others. Once again, after the margin, leave a square. Don't do anything, children. Only when I ask you to do something, you have to do. After the margin, leave a square. Write 6. Leave a square. Write plus.
Ma'am, you have to write.
Who's that? Kylina, every day I must tell you something. Please keep quiet, Kylina. I told you what you have to do, Kylina. Not only one day, every day. Yesterday I informed in the office you are disturbing the class. 6. See now, after the margin, leave a square. Write 6. Leave a square plus, leave a square 3. Leave a square equal, leave a square dash. You are not going to write the answer what is 6 plus 3. Now, leave 2 columns down, children. Leave 2 columns down. I will tell you what you have to do. Then I'll ask you to show me afterwards. Leave 2 columns down. That means 1 square, 2 square. Third square from that margin line, draw one straight line till the end. Straight line. I don't want you to write till 20 because you don't have space to write till 20. Now you have got each square there. Yes or no? 1 minute, I will ask one child. Archant. Archant. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Archant, count the columns in your notebook. How many squares you have count? Tell me. Count. You count and tell me. I don't need anybody's help. You count 1, 2, 3 in your mind and tell me how many columns.
4, ma'am.
No. Listen. Ritik, count the squares till the end of the page. From the margin, how many squares?
6, ma'am.
No. Who's this? Ritik.
Yes, ma'am.
Ritik, you count how many squares in your maths notebook. 1 minute now. John, not John. Kevin, you just wait, children. Kevin, please count from the margin till the end of the line. You drew one line after 2 columns, no? How many columns are there? Straight line. How many columns? Count 1, 2, 3. I think it's 12.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
How many?
11.
I am asking only Kevin. Others, please don't talk. Kevin, how many columns? 11. Okay. Yes or no, Kevin? One more child I'll ask. Present, count and tell me how many lines. Because we have to be very, very clear. Present, from the first line. From the first draw one straight line and count and tell me how many columns.
Excuse me.
1 minute, only present. 1 minute, ma. Yes.
9, 10, 11, 12, ma'am.
Yes. I know it's 12. That's what. Now all of you listen. After 6 plus 3, everybody left 2 columns down. From the margin, that margin line, draw 1 column straight till the end. You have 12 columns. Now that margin line, you have a square. The first line you put 0, next line 1. You write 0 to 12 numbers there. I will ask somebody to show me now. 0 to 1 number. Please write 0, 1 till 12. 0, 1, 2, 3. How it's shown on the screen from the first line. See the line 0, 1, 2, 3 like that. On that blue line. Down, blue line. You just mark 0 to 12. Now I will ask somebody to show me. Yes, I want 1 minute. Kushagra, can you show me your notebook? Kushagra. Yes.
Ma'am.
Show me your notebook. Did you write 0 to 12? Show closer. Okay, Kushagra. Now, Cyrus, show me your notebook. See, children, when I ask you to show, you must show closer. Cyrus, did you write 0 to 12? Show me. I can't see your notebook. Show your notebook. Now, I told you not to do it, Cyrus. Okay, wait. Okay. Okay, children, will go back. Now, 6 plus 3. Now, you start counting from 0 to 6. 0 to 6, give a big jump. See here, like this. 0 to 6. Children, wait for me. You don't do it. 0 to 6. Give a big jump. Now, I need somebody's help. I will call out the name. Adonia. Now, Adonia.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me how many counts, small counts I must take, Adonia. 6 plus 3. 0 to 6, big jump. How many small counts I must take, small jumps?
3.
3. Very good. See whether it's correct. 1. Sorry. 1 minute. Yes. 6. I'll show you once again. 1, 2, 3. Now small. 3 small jump. A big jump from 0 to 6. Then 3. 1, 2, 3. Exactly. Adonia, tell me the answer.
9.
Very good. This is the way you have to do. Hope all would have done. After that, don't tell you haven't done. Now one is done. Now, leave one column down. Excuse me, children. Let me find out. Akshara, did you do this? Akshara? Akshara? Yes? Akshara is not there. Did you do 6 plus 3, 9? Only after doing on the number line, you must write the answer. Did you do this in your notebook?
Yes, ma'am.
End of the class, I'll ask you. Okay. Now, everybody, thank you, Akshara. Leave a square, write number 2. See here? Don't write add on the line. No add on the line again. Yes, turn off your phone, Akshara. Leave a square, write number 2 in the margin down. Just leave a square. Or you can leave 2 squares, children. It will be neat. Leave 2 squares down. Children, leave 2 squares down. Then write the same way. After the margin, in the margin number 2, after the margin, leave a square. 7, leave a square. That means you are leaving one column. Plus, how we did for the first one, same way. After plus, leave a square. Number 3, leave a square equals. Leave a square. Don't write the answer. I don't want the answer. What is 7 plus 3? I want somebody to do on the number line. Now, leave 2 columns down. 2 squares. Leave 2 squares. Same way from the margin. That is that margin line. One line is there. From there, draw a straight line. From the margin, draw a straight line. Then write 0 to 12 numbers. Those who have 11, write 11. It's shown here 20, no need. 0 to 12 numbers. Each point where you have the column, not in the middle, that column end. Yes. 0 to 1, one column. 1 to 2, second one, like that. Not in the middle. Write 0 to 12. All can draw. Just put 2 arrows, both the sides. Small arrow, that's enough. Then write 0 to 12. Mitra, can you show me, Mitra, how you have drawn? Mitra, can you show me? Mitra, show me your notebook after drawing. Yes. Just show me. Yes, Mitra, just lift and show me. Max note. Yeah. Closer. Second one. Where is second one? You didn't draw. Yes. Where
Yes,
is
ma'am.
second one? You show me second one. Just lift. You did the answer also. Let me see. Leaving 2 lines. That is first. Okay, I cannot see properly, Mitra. Just you don't shake. Just show. Just lift and show. Seven, what is the second number? 7 plus? Yes.
3,
Okay,
ma'am.
okay. Okay, now. Now, 7 plus 3. Now, just look, children, I'm doing because I don't know whether you're sure of it. After doing 5 sums, you'll know. So, I want, now, Kanira, are you there, Kanira? No, we are wasting time. Yes, Kanira,
Ma'am?
tell me, big jump from which number? 0 to
0 to 7.
good. Big jump is there. How many small jumps?
Ma'am, 3.
Just see whether it's correct. 1, 2, 3.
Ma'am, 10.
Is it right?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Answer is 10. Now that page is over. Thank you, Kanira. Now I won't ask anybody because we won't have enough time. Now I know that you know to do it. Okay. Now turn your page. Turn your page. Only when you start writing, you must write the date. Okay. Turn your page. Write only number 3. Don't write the heading. Exactly like how I'm telling you must do. Turn your page. Number 3 in your margin. Don't write add on the number line. Number 3 on the margin, in the margin. Leave a square after the margin. 5. I told you how to write. Leave 1 square, write 5 plus 4. Leave 1 square, write 5 plus 4 equals dash. I know that you know the answer 5 plus 4. Why I'm giving small numbers? Because it has to fit in your notebook. You have only 12 columns. Now, you leave 2 columns down. You leave 2 columns down. How you drew before, same way. From the margin, draw a line from the margin till the end of the page. Draw a line. Then write 0 to 12 numbers. You have to leave 2 columns after writing 5 plus 4. Then 0 to 12 numbers. Those who don't have 12 columns, 11. Because someone said 11. 0 to 12. Yes. Okay. Now, Joshika. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning, Joshika. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Did you draw the line? Third one. Did you draw? No.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Now, I want you to tell me big jump. Big jump. See, children, column 0 first, that join place, not in the middle. End of each square, you must write the numbers, okay? But it should be neat. Now, tell me from which number should I take a big jump?
5.
No. From which number? 2. Now, I have
0 to 5.
Very good. 0 to 5. Very good. I'm so happy that all would have understood and all are telling the answer. Good children. Okay, big jump. Now, how many small jumps I must take? How many?
4.
4. See whether ma'am is doing correctly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it right, Joshika?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, what should I write in that column there? Dash.
9.
Very good. 5 plus 4 is 9. Children, don't worry. You can do it slowly. But you have to do it. Don't ask anybody's help. Now, leave 2 columns down. Why I'm asking you to leave? Because you have to make a big jump over there. 2 or 3 you can leave. No problem. Now let me see. Mishti, 1 minute, Mishti.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you do all the 3 sums?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Mishti. Now, leave 3 columns or 2 columns. Write number 4. In your textbook, you have done it neatly, so you can see that with this classwork notebook. Okay. Now, number 4. Mishti, thank you. Now, I'll call somebody else. Number 4 in the margin. Leave a square. 3. Leave a square. Plus. Leave a square. 5. Leave a square. Equal. I know that you would have finished that. Dash. After 1 square, dash. Leave 2 or 3. According to your space in the book, I mean, in your classwork note, you can do it. 0 to 12. Draw a line from the margin. If you do it below also, no problem, because the jump is important. 0 to 12. Now, shall I ask Samantha, sweetie? Samantha? Yes? Good morning, Samantha.
Yes, ma'am.
How are you?
Fine.
How was your cold, everything? Okay.
Fine.
Okay, very good. Now, have you written 3 plus 5?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you drawn the line? No.
Yes.
Okay. Did you write 0 to 12? No, if it's
Yes,
not.
ma'am.
Okay, very good. If you haven't written, you can do it. When I ask questions to others, other children can complete. Now, Samantha, can you help me? Can you tell me from which number to which number should I take the big jump? Only you speak, big jump. From, tell me, Samantha, from,
0 to 3.
very good. Samantha, you must try, very good. You must tell, okay? And I'm very happy children are answering, okay? Then they will learn fast. Now, 0 to 3, big jump. Now, can you tell me how many small jumps should I take? Small,
2 jump.
no, 3 plus next number. How many small jumps?
5 jump.
5. Now, see there, see what ma'am is doing, and other children can do with me. First, number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is it right?
Yes,
Samantha?
ma'am.
Now tell me the answer there on the number line. On the number line, what's the 8? Very good. Should I write that in the fill in the blanks over there, that column?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, see whether it's correct. Is it right now?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Samantha. Now take a new page. Now 1 minute, 1 minute. Those who finish, take a new page. Tashwata, Tashwata,
Yes, ma'am.
have you completed all these 4?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Now take a new page. Thank you, Shashwada. Take a new page and write. Don't write add on the number line because that's already there. Number 5 in the margin. Number 5. Number 5 in the margin. Leave a square. 6. Leave a square. Plus. Leave a square. 2. 6 plus 2. Again, leave a square, equal. Leave a square, dash. I'll check all the books now. One by one, I'll call. Neat work, you will get 10 marks. Now, leave 3 columns down. The last sum, this is last sum. 3 columns down, because then only it will be neat. I don't have a notebook to see. Now, from the margin, draw a line till the end of the page. Keep your scale straight, no freehand drawing. Right from 0 to 12, end of each square, not in the middle, end of the square down. Yes, you can do it. Now let me ask Shamma whether she finished drawing the line. Slowly write from 0 to 12. Shamma,
Yes, ma'am.
did you draw the line, Shamma?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you write the numbers from 0 to 12?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Shamma. Thank you. See, you must not leave 0. When you start on the number line, you have to start from 0. You can just put that small arrow both the ends, because that line continues. That when you go to higher class, you will learn. Now it's not very important. Okay. Now, next is Shaina. Yes,
ma'am.
yes, I've reached roll number 15 now, Shaina. Shaina,
Yes,
now,
ma'am.
1 minute, Shaina. Listen to my
Yes,
question.
ma'am.
Now, I have to take a big jump from which number to which number? From.
You have to take a big jump 0 till 6.
Very good. Now stop. Let everyone do that, okay? I have to take a big jump from 0 to 6. I finished jumping. When you take a 1 minute, when you take a big jump, it should be very, very neat, okay? Don't do like crooked jump. See how it's drawn like that? Try to do it. You can
Okay,
use.
ma'am.
Okay, thank you. 1 minute, wait. Now sorry. How many small jumps I must take? 6 plus 2. So how many?
2 jumps.
Very good. That's very, very important. From 6 to 7, 1. 7 to 8, another 1. Now, Shaina, you got the answer, some answer on the number line. Tell me the answer.
8.
8. Now, where should I write that 8?
In the box, ma'am.
Box. Now, listen to me. Some children will write 6 plus 2, 8 first. That's not the way to do. You have to draw. Already the number line will be drawn for you for the test and all that. You have to draw the number line in your classwork note and make a big jump. Then that small jump you have to show how it's done. Okay. Now, thank you, Shaina. Thank you. Now, I want to see, 1 minute. I want to see the notebook. So I will ask now. Now, I want to see the notebook. Now, Kanira, can you show me your notebook? Just fast, okay? I will ask few children. Kanira, you can turn on your cameras, children. Let me see. Kanira. Who's this Nibrita? Excuse me, Nibrita. Who's this Nibrita? That name is not in my list. Show me your face. Who's this? Oh my God, is it Niral? Oh, Naren. Okay, Niral. Tell me.
John.
Okay. That's a sister's name. Okay, okay. Did you do all the 5 sums, children? Everyone, see, some children are
Ma'am.
now listen.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
Very good. Listen. Okay, 1 minute, Cyrus. What did you say? Finish. Now, Cyrus, for the neat work, you have to give us. Very good. Very good. Yes, I'm seeing. Okay, Shaina. See, for your Need verb contain S contain present rhythm. Parents. Okay, I'm seeing again. Parents must give a star. Yes, Kevin, Jeff, Mitra, all I'm saying.
John, ma'am.
Let's see. Yes. Your parents, tell your parents to give a star. Very good. You have done it. Very good, children. Yes. Everyone I'm seeing, Learn Kanita. Yes, yes. Thank you, children. Now, one minute, 1 minute. You can leave the class.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Bye.